So the other thing in the lab that you're going to have to make is a water bath, because when you add in the sodium hydroxide to your copper 2 nitrate, it's going to be an exothermic reaction. So it's going to give off heat, and we want to have that heat leave the reaction equally. So we're going to make a water bath because that water is going to absorb the heat released from the reaction. So to do that, you're going to take a 450 milliliter beaker. You're going to fill it about a third of the way up with water, so about to the 150 milliliter water mark. And this can just be water from the tap. To test it, make sure you have enough water. You're going to take your 250 ml beaker. You're going to set that inside your 400 ml beaker, and it should float, and the water should come up past the liquid that you have in there. The next thing that you'll do is you'll take your sodium hydroxide that you have, and you're going to slowly add that to your solution. And when you add, so add a little bit at a time, and you're going to stir. And you're going to slowly add a little bit at each time and continue stirring, so that way it doesn't get too hot, and that way it mixes evenly. Once you've added all of your sodium hydroxide, or until the pH of your solution matches the pH that of the sodium hydroxide that you started with, then you can be done. Most of you, it'll take just about all the 40 to 45 milliliters of sodium hydroxide. Make sure that you're testing the pH each time, still using those pH strips from before, and you're using the same method where you take your stir rod out and then place it onto the pH paper and then back into your solution and test it with the side of the pH paper on here.